You may remember that I have a problem with this generator. I've been using the backup generator for a few days. It's worked just fine until yesterday, when the amount of power that was required was more than that little generator could put out. Now, the good thing about that generator is that it doesn't use near as much fuel as this bigger generator, but it will put out a lot more power. Both of these generators are Predator models. One is a 1500 watt maximum, and this one is a 3500 watt maximum. I think the problem is right here in the spark arrestor. We'll find out here pretty quick. And of course the wind is picking up. It's pretty chilly, but I think I'll probably survive. There's no place to kneel here while I'm working on this because we had some rain. We had about half an inch of rain. So the ground is muddy. I could kneel, but then I'd have my blue jeans dirty. That's 5 screws out. I have one more to come out, and then I can gain access to that spark arrestor. That comes off. Now I need a wrench. Well, I'm going to go get some wrenches and see if I can pull this off. But it does look pretty carboned up. There are 2 fasteners down here. They're 8 millimeters, so I have an 8 millimeter socket, and just go ahead and see if I can pull that spark arrestor completely out of the machine. There's the second piece and the spark arrestor. That spark arrestor looks pretty bad. Let's see what it looks like inside. More carbon. And this piece that's inside will come out. Oh my Lord. If you can see this carbon, I think that was probably what the problem is here. Wow. Well, I'm going to give a quick try and see if this will solve the problem completely. Take all these pieces and put them over here so they don't get misplaced. Especially all these little screws. Those 2 are really important because they hold on the spark arrestor, and these 6 hold the cover on.
A few moments later.
Well, let's see if it will start this morning. It's blowing carbon all the way out. it looks like there's more carbon in the system, so I'll have to go ahead and get that cleaned out. Otherwise, up until the end when I put a heavy load on it, it was running just fine. So we'll take the load off and let her warm up. Well, there's your problem right there. See how bad that's carboned up? I don't know how that engine ran at all with it being blocked that badly. I'm going to have to really work on cleaning this out. I'll be using some brushes and some cleaners. But it did work for a long while. But that's what happens when you accidentally start a generator and leave it in the start position for a couple of hours. Well, friends, looks like I have that generator mostly working. Definitely was carboned up. That's one of the reasons why you saw all that black smoke and all those pieces of soot blowing out of the exhaust. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications because we've got a lot more stuff going on. Irene's out in the greenhouse right now cleaning up a few things. I've got more things to do here, and I've got to go pick up some things to put our perlite in. Thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later. Bye. Keep brainstorming. We do all the time.